Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and using wisely your time in doing studies. Okay children, welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. In today's session, we are going to solve the worksheet number 4 which is based on the pronoun children. In the previous session, the videos which you have received, in that I have solved worksheet number 1, 2 and 3 children. You have to write those all the worksheet in your classwork notebook. And today we are going to solve the worksheet number 4 which is based on the pronoun children. In the previous session you have learned what do you mean by pronoun, how we should use the pronoun in a sentences, how we can create the sentences by using the pronoun children. Okay. So before going to it, let me tell you what do you mean by noun. You only tell me children what do you mean by noun. You have learned in the previous session of worksheet number 1, naming word. So what do you mean by naming word children? Naming word means noun. So what do you mean by noun? Yes, noun is a naming word. Now, name of the person, name of the places, name of the things. Okay children? Name of the birds, name of the animals. Okay? Now tell me what do you mean by pronoun? Yes, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Using again and again in a sentences noun. Instead of noun, we can use pronoun children. Oftenly, we can't use the noun in a sentences while writing in a passage, while speaking with someone. Okay? Instead of using noun again and again, we can use pronoun in place of noun children. Okay? So, pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun children. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. For examples for pronoun children: he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Okay children, there are a lot of examples are there for the nouns. This, that, these, those. Us, your, her, his. So there are a lot of pronouns are there children. So he, she, it, I, we, you, they, this, that, these, or the, these, those, us, yours, her, his, many are there children. So these are the examples for the pronoun. Okay children, let us see one example for this. My name is Tanu. I am a good girl. So children, see here, my name is Tanu. Tanu is here noun children. I am a good girl. We can see here we have used I. Why we have used I children? So we cannot take the Tanu oftenly in a sentence. So instead of noun we can take pronoun. I is here pronoun. So instead of writing naming word oftenly in a sentences, we can use pronouns in place of nouns children. Okay. My name is Tanu. I am a good girl. If we are writing Tanu is a good girl. My name is Tanu. Tanu is a good girl. Instead of Tanu we can take here I. I am a good girl. Okay children. So like this we can use the pronouns in a sentences. Okay children. Now let us solve some worksheet based on the pronouns. So here work question number 1, circle the pronoun verbs. Okay children, first one, I, Basu, Diya. So in these words we have to choose the pronouns and then we have to circle it. Okay. Second one, yellow, it, they. Third one, she, computer, read. She, computer, read. Fourth one, is, he, am. Is, he, am. Fifth one, they, house, rat. Sixth one, he, cat, dog. This, pen, bench. Eighth one, pencil, it, arm. Ninth one, our, book, is. Tenth one, we, car, bus. So here we have to circle the correct pronoun children. Okay. So first one is I, Basu, Diya. So which is the pronoun in this sentence children? Which is the pronoun? Yes, I is the pronoun. So we have to circle the I children. Basu is naming word, Diya is naming word children. So which is the pronoun here? I. So we have to circle I children. Okay. Which is the pronoun here? I. Second one, yellow, it, they. So which is the pronoun children here? Yellow. Yellow is naming word. So it and they, there are two pronouns children. So we have to circle both. They and it. Okay. Let us move to the third one. She, computer, read. Computer is also naming word, noun, and red is also name of the color. So she is here pronoun. So we have to circle she children. Fourth one is, he, am. Is and am here children. These are auxiliary verbs. So here he is the pronoun children. Let us move to the fifth one children. They, house, rat. House is also here naming word, rat is also naming word. So here we have to circle they. They is here pronoun children. She, cat, dog. Cat, dog is here naming words. She is here pronoun children. Okay. Seventh one, this, pen, bench. Pen and bench are the naming word children. Naming word means noun. So here this is pronoun. Okay. Pencil, you are. Pencil is here, noun. Are is here, helping verb. You is here, pronoun, children. Okay. Us, ninth one. Us, book, is. So here book is naming word. Is here helping verb. Us. Us is here, pronoun, children. So we have to circle us. We, car, bus. Car and bus is here naming word, noun, children. We have to circle we word here. So we is here pronoun. Let us read once again. Children, I, it, they, he, she, they, she, this, you, us and we. These are the pronouns, children. You have to write this in your classwork notebook. Children, remember one thing. He word we are using for boy, father, uncle. We are using he word for boy, father, uncle, brother and son. S-O-N, son. Okay, children. He word, remember carefully. He word we are using boy, father, uncle, brother and son. Okay, children. She word we are using for girl, mother, auntie, sister and then daughter. Okay, children. He word we are using for boy, father, uncle, brother, son. Okay. And it we are using for things. Thing. Okay. It we are using for thing like car, pen, board, etc. Okay. Anything. Table, TV. Okay. He word we are using for boy, father, uncle, brother and son. She word we are using for girl, mother, aunt, sister and daughter. It word we are using for thing, car, pen, board, table and TV, children. Okay. Next one. They. They we are using for friends, parents, then sisters, boys. Okay. They we are using for friends, parents, sisters, boys, girls, people. Okay. Then we. We are using for example, my friends and me. My friends and me together we are calling we. My friends and me, Mayank and I. So like this we can use we. Okay. He we are using for boy, father, uncle, brother and son. She we are using for girl, mother, auntie, sister and daughter. It we are using for things, car, pan, board, table, like this. They we are using for friends, parents, people. Okay, we are using for my friend and me, Mayank and I. Okay children, like this we can use. Now let us move to the next exercise. Tick the correct answer. Second main question, tick the correct answer. Okay children. So the first question is, she or it is a blackboard. First question, she or it is a blackboard. So we have to take the correct option. Okay. He or she is my mother. Okay. Let me write all the questions. Later we will solve these. It or she is four. It or she is a hole. Fourth one. They or she is my parents. They or she are my parent. Fifth one. He or it is a new car. He or it is a new car. Sixth one. He or she is my best friend. He or she is my best friend. He or she or they are my friends. We is my son. Okay children, so these are the questions. We have to, first we should read the question carefully, then we should take the answer children. Let me read the first one. She or it is a blackboard. So here blackboard is a thing children. Okay, blackboard is non-living thing. So what we should use? She or it children. Just now we came across from that. For see, it we are using for the things. Blackboard, pen, pencil, duster. Okay children. So what we should, where we should take children? She or it? It. Because it we are using to point out the things. Okay. So it is a blackboard. We should not use she is a blackboard. So she is here showing the living thing. Blackboard is here non-living thing. Okay. So it is used for the things children. So it is a blackboard. Which one we have to tick? It. We have to tick it children. Second one. He or she is a mother. He or she is mother. So here mother. Mother we are, see what, which word we should use? He or she. He word we are using for boy, uncle, father, son. Mother we are using for girl, okay, sister, auntie. She word we are using for mother, auntie, sister, daughter, okay. So here we should use for mother she word, okay children. She is here female word. Mother is also here female. So we have to use she word, she pronoun. She is a mother. Third one, it is a whole. See, it is a whole or she is a whole. Whole is here thing children. So for things we should use it. Okay. So the answer is it is a whole. Fourth one, they are my parent or she are my parent. Here, see children, parent means two members are there, father and mother. So for two members we have to use they. Okay children, so we have to tick they here. They are my parent. He or it is a new car. Here car is also a thing. For thing we should use it children. Okay. It is a new car. Sixth one. He or she is my best friend. Here best friend may be girl or maybe a boy. So we can use anything here. He or she. So you have to decide whether a boy is your best friend or girl is your best friend. So according to you, you have to tick he or he or she children. Here I am ticking she because she is my best friend. Seventh one, she or they my friends. So here friends is the plural word children. For plural we have to use plural pronoun, that is they. They are my friends. Okay. Eighth one, we or he is my son. So son is here boy. For boy we are using he. So he is here. A correct answer. Okay, he is my son. Let us read once again. It is a blackboard. She is mother. It is a hole. They are my parent. It is a new car. She is my best friend. Sorry, here I haven't written are. They are my friends. So, here the correct answer is they are my friends. He is my son. Okay children, like this we should take the correct answer according to the sentences children. Okay. First we should check whether it is thing, whether it is boy or girl, okay, whether it is singular or plural. Let us move to the next exercise part. Find out the pronoun. Third one. Find out the pronoun. Okay. First one. She ate a sandwich. She ate a sandwich. Full point. He is going to home. He is going to home. Third one. They will not come today. They will not come today. Fourth one. We are at school. Fifth one. Fifth one. It is very hot. Sixth one. I am busy today. Seventh one. Are they ready? They are very happy. So children, here we should find out the pronoun. She ate a sandwich. Okay children, so which is the pronoun here? She ate a sandwich. Here there are four words. We have to search the pronoun here. So which is the pronoun children here? What will be the answer? Yes, she is here pronoun. Okay. So here underline the pronoun. So it is the pronoun. So which is the pronoun here? She. Okay children, she is the pronoun here. He is going to home. So which is the pronoun here children? He. Okay. He is the pronoun children. They will not come today. Third one, they will not come today. So which is the pronoun children here? Yes, they. So we have to underline they. And right here, they is the pronoun. Okay. Next one, we are at school. So which is the pronoun children here? What will be the answer? Yes, we is the pronoun here. So right here, we. Okay. Fifth one, it is very hot. So which is the pronoun children? It. It is your pronoun. Remember, it pronouns we are using in place of noun. Okay children? I am busy today. So here I is pronoun children. Are they ready? So which is the pronoun children? They. Okay. The next one, they are very happy. Again here they is the pronoun children. So like this you have to find out the pronouns. Okay children. Now I will give you some questions as a homework. You have to solve those questions by yourself without taking your parents' help. Okay children. You have to write question number 1, main 1, question number main 2, question number main 3 as your worksheet in your classwork notebook children. Okay. Let me rub this. I will give you some homework questions. So you have to solve those questions in the homework notebook and send the photocopy of it to me children. Let me give some questions to you children. So first question is, this is your home fun children, homework part. You have to solve this homework part in your homework notebook children. Okay. Circle the pronouns he, pen, car, they, table, was, have, you, we. dress, hair. Fifth one, he, monkey, she. So you have to circle. You have to find out the pronouns in this and circle this. Okay, children? Now, second one, fill in the blanks. With correct pronoun. First one, dash is my brother. For brother, what you should fill here, children? Okay? Are his parents. Okay? Third one, it dash is my pen. Okay? You have to fill the correct pronoun according to this. Dash is a good girl. Going to school. So these are some questions you have to solve by your own children. Okay? Dash are bad boy. Dash are a bad boy. Okay? Sister. Dash is my sister. Going to party. Okay, children, these are some questions you have to solve by your own as a homework in homework notebook, children. Okay, children, hope you have understood today's session. You have to solve the worksheet in your classwork notebook and homework in your homework notebook, children. Hope you all have understood. Now here ends our today's session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.